In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in cell in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make long entries display neatly on multiple lines within a single cell, so your sheets stay readable without expanding columns endlessly. First, open Smartsheet and head to the home page. From there, look for the option to start something new. Click Start a New Project, Program, or Process. This takes you into the creation flow, where Smartsheet offers a variety of ways to begin. You'll see template suggestions, including options tailored to different roles such as company management. Templates can be a great head start if you're building a full solution. For this demonstration, though, we'll keep it simple so you can focus on the wrap text feature itself. Choose to start from scratch. Next, you'll be asked to pick a new workspace starting point. This is just Smartsheet helping you set the foundation for what you're building. We want a straightforward grid to type into, so select Table. That gives you a clean sheet with rows and columns, perfect for trying out text wrapping. With the sheet open, click into a cell in the first row and begin typing a longer sentence. If you already have text prepared, you can paste it directly into a cell. The important part is to have enough characters that the content would normally spill beyond the column edge. Without wrapping, Smartsheet shows an overflow or truncates the visible portion based on the column width, which can make it hard to read at a glance. Now, select the cell or cells containing your text. Move up to the toolbar and find the Wrap Text icon. Click it once to turn wrapping on for your selection. Instantly, your long sentence will break into multiple lines within the same cell. Smartsheet automatically adjusts the row height to fit the wrapped lines, so you can see everything without changing the data itself. A couple of quick notes to help you work faster. Wrapping is a formatting toggle, which means you can turn it on or off at any time for the selected cells. It doesn't alter your content, only how it's displayed. Also, wrapping respects the current column width, so the width determines where the line breaks appear. If your sheet looks crowded, remember that wrapping is there to keep important details visible without cluttering your view. That's it. You've opened Smartsheet, created a simple table, entered sample text, and used the toolbar to wrap it cleanly inside a cell. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.